I'm excited to announce that this is my first Hak5 sponsored video. I really want to thank Darren from Hak5 for sponsoring some Hak5 gift cards to give to you. As you can probably see, I really like the Hak5 products. MG, who created the OMG cables, gave me one of these cables to review. But apart from that, I've purchased all of these products myself. Darren has given me some gift cards to give to you to allow you to purchase products such as these. I'm also going to be giving away a whole bunch of courses in today's giveaway. Last month, many thousands of people got access to free courses. Now, please let me know in the comments below, which Hak5 products do you like the most? Which Hak5 products do you want me to create videos about? I have created videos about the USB rubber ducky as an example, about the OMG cable, about the Bash Bunny. So I have created videos about these. They're on my YouTube channel. I've also created a Hak5 course on Udemy, which you can access using the link below. But let me know which products do you want me to review, which products do you want me to talk about and teach you how to use. Fantastic products, these from Hak5. Okay, first giveaway. One person is going to win a $50 Hak5 gift card. That will allow you, for example, to buy a USB rubber ducky. Fantastic hacking device, but for some people it's quite expensive to buy one of these to test. So one person is going to win a $50 Hak5 gift card. One person is going to win a $100 Hak5 gift card. That will allow you, for example, to buy a Wi-Fi pineapple. This device allows you, for instance, to hack Wi-Fi networks. You can create a rogue access point. Again, a fantastic device if you want to do a penetration test, if you want to hack Wi-Fi networks. But it doesn't stop there. One person is going to win a $250 Hak5 gift card. That will allow you, as an example, to buy an OMG cable. The OMG cable is crazy scary. It's been enhanced by MG and the team. It also is now a key logger, which I want to demonstrate as soon as possible. Allows you to log keystrokes and do all kinds of other crazy things using a cable that looks just like a typical USB-C cable or an iPhone cable. Now, one person is going to win a fantastic $250 Hak5 gift card. That will allow you to buy a few interesting devices from Hak5, so you're not restricted to just one. There are a whole range of fantastic products. So as an example, we've got the Packet Squirrel, we've got the Plunder Bug, we've got the Screen Grab, we've got the Land Turtle, a whole bunch of really interesting products from Hak5. I want to review all of these products, but let me know once again in the comments below which products you are most interested in learning about. Which products would you like me to demonstrate? Which kind of products would you like me to give away? I'm hoping to twist Darren's arm to run more giveaways so that I can put more of these devices into your hands so that you can learn to become a scary ethical hacker, a very powerful ethical hacker. Okay, but that's not all. I want to give away a bunch of my courses as well. So use the link below if you want to win access to the Ethical Hacking for Beginners course. Thousands and thousands of people have registered on this course for free. So if you missed it, here's your chance. I'm also going to be giving away my CCNA course. If you want to learn the basics of networking, use the link below to get your CCNA for free. Let me know which sponsors would you like me to talk with to sponsor giveaways such as these. I'm hoping to give away products every Friday, but let me know who I should talk to. Let me know which kinds of devices, which kind of products, which kind of courses you want me to give away. I want to help as many of you change your lives as I possibly can. Now, as always, please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please like this video and click on the bell to get notifications. Please share this giveaway with others so that they can also change their lives. I'm David Bombal. I want to wish you all the very best.